Hello beautiful humans. So I'm back again. As you can see, the eczema is acting up, so we can just ignore that. I wasn't punched in the face, it's fine. And I am going fishing for the first time this weekend, and I thought I would do like a little come pack with me camping fishing trip. I've never been before, so I don't really know what to pack, but I want to look cute, but it also has to be functional. Sorry for the loud noises in the background, but yeah, I thought it'd be kind of interesting to do, so let's go. First, we're gonna take a quick peek on Pinterest, see what's out there, and then we're gonna just head into the closet because honestly, we just gotta see what we got. Alright, so our first search was fishing girly outfits. Got to see what they had here. Honestly, it was all very rednecky, southern, whatever, just not my style. It's fine if it is. So I tried another search for summer fishing, still not it. So now it's just summer fishing outfits, and took out the girly parts, saw what they had. Wasn't really anything. This one picture was kind of cute. I was like, okay, sweatshirt, white, whatever, and a tan. And then it kind of led me to this picture, which is more cute, little yachty boat vibes, but a little bit hippie. And I was like, this could work for fishing. So let's add that. Let's see what else they have under the same kind of picture on Pinterest here and see where it kind of takes us. And then this is what I ended up with. So not too literally 3 pictures, but I was like, I can work with this. Okay, I can work with it. Okay, welcome to my bedroom, our bedroom. If you're on the channel, then you know that me and my partner Brendan, we live here together. So this is the bedroom. Okay, so first of all, we need a cute little hat, and I do have also must bring this. This is my fishing sweatshirt, of course. I have this hat, I guess. This isn't gonna look great with my hair up, but it's enough to keep the sun off, but still get some sun. Could be cute. I made this hat because I was gonna sell them, but I didn't like how it turned out. Whatever yarn I used, it ended up bleeding into the fabric, which I don't mind for myself, just for a whatever hat, but it just wasn't up to my standards for selling, so I'm just gonna keep it, and I think it'll be a cute hat to bring. It's cotton. If I get too hot, I can dip it in the water and then put it on my head. So yeah, let me gather a few things and I'll show you, and I'll go through if it's a yay or nay situation. Okay, so I am absolutely surrounded in clothes right now. So I have these bottoms that I think I want to bring because they're really good for nighttime. I have to wash them anyway, so probably good for camping. So that's a good night thing. I think also this long sleeve cotton top will be good with that at night, just as a nice layer. Not bringing those. I have these for the morning. It's my little hippie pants, which I like to wear with this t-shirt. And then I have this fishing shirt that I bought for the one day that I would go fishing with my partner's family. So we're bringing the fishing shirt, but I don't know what she's gonna go with. So we'll see. I think I'm gonna bring these longer shorts, but it's between those and these ones. These beige, which that could be kind of cute. Also kind of cute. So we'll see. I'll do a little try on for you too, because I need to see it on. Otherwise it might not work. And then I was gonna bring they're daisy biker shorts, yellow daisy. Then I have a yellow big t-shirt to match, so that's a cute little outfit, maybe a travel outfit. I was gonna bring this too, which could be cute. I was thinking about maybe wearing it with this, a little bikini underneath, and then maybe some nice little the beige shorts or something for on the boat. warm socks for at night because we're camping. Oh, and then a pair of jeans too for at night in case I don't want, like if we're having a fire, I don't think I really want to wear the green ones because I might get a hole in them. Also, baseball cap that matches. And then for swimsuits, I wasn't sure what I wanted to bring. I think I'm gonna do these bottoms with this, but the only thing is, like, I don't know if it goes with this. So we could just do like a neutrals moment, which would be cute, or I have the brown top, so we could do just brown, or we could switch up. So I'm just gonna bring all of that because I don't know what I want to wear. And then I wanted to get a headscarf that's gonna match because I've got a sensitive scalp, so I don't want it to burn. And then maybe like a couple tank tops. Okay, so maybe this bodysuit because it's camo. I wore fishing. Could be like a moment. Doesn't really go with the hat, but yeah, whatever. I don't wear the camo top too often, so I feel like this is my chance. I've also got this really cute like crochet top, but I don't know if that's like, probably not. But I saw it in the drawer and I was like, ooh, neutrals. Probably not. Also, this one's white, so also probably not. But I thought this might be like a nice little like hanging out outfit. Like if I've got like a bikini on, I just toss this on. Ooh, it could cover the shoulders and the arms and stuff. So maybe that one's good, I don't know. I've also got this cute little hippie top, which is literally like, basically like I'm not wearing anything, but it does kind of cover. I wonder if I can tan through this. That's a good question. But I thought that could be cute with like jeans and stuff. I probably need to wash that one, so I'll also have to take that into consideration. And then I also just have this kind of like whatever one. So I think I will take this one, probably this one. We'll take this one in case, and then this one. They're also tiny, so I could pack a bunch. Right, that's how it works. We'll leave this one. Okay, so now let me try some things on. Okay, so this is the first outfit. So we've got this, the top, the shorts. Probably wear like Birkenstocks or whatever with it or something, which, okay, so I really like it. But I'm also thinking like, fishing's like messy, right? Like you get dirty. Do I want to wear like light colors? I don't know. Oh, also the hat. I don't know. Okay, so maybe switch out the other shirt with this one. And maybe switch out the bottoms too. Like maybe like this vibe instead. That's kind of cute. I got like a little cover up, take it off to a tank top, take it off again, swimsuit, shorts. They're like not too long, not too short. They also said something about pants, so let's also try it with pants just in case. So we could do those. I don't really like the lime green with it. I don't mind like this, but maybe keeping a darker top. Is this like too much? Okay, then what if we go back to like this later hat? I'm kind of liking that outfit. It's like Fisher, but like kind of cute, you know? Like we're not serving, but we're not serving, you know? I like that. Okay. Yes. Okay, and then like a cute little like morning outfit. Got our bikini on, you know, we're just eating some breakfast before we go out. Gotta be comfy, cozy. Maybe middle of the day. It's supposed to be hot. I'm kind of liking this. I think this is a yes. Okay, and then also like second option, because kind of options are how we're feeling. For like this. Or we just wear it down because we're cozy. Oh, and my elastic just broke. Got a clip. Okay, I got a clip. I don't know if it's for Wow, that's something special. Okay, whatever. It is what it is. Okay, so this is kind of fun, funky, whatever. Bikinis are matching. Love it. I think I'll probably just bring the neutrals, not the bright. This is a neutral trip. Okay, now we need to work this into some kind of outfit. Okay, so this is what we're working with, little low-waisted moment. Love it. Gets a little chilly. Throw this on underneath. Do we get the picture? Still a vibe, I think. Even colder. Ugh. Where's that sweater? We throw this on. Boom. And then or toasty warm. I will be bringing a jacket as well. And then if it gets really hot, I've got this. And then I'll just bring these two just for funsies. I don't know what to wear them with, but we're just gonna bring them. I don't need that. And this. Cute. We love. Okay. That is everything. Holy smokes. That's everything I'm bringing for fishing, clothing-wise. And I'm so excited to go. I might do a little vlog while I'm there, so stay tuned for that. And thanks for helping me with this process. Sometimes you just gotta talk through it, you know? So here's what we're working with. And thank you so much. So ciao chicas, and we'll see you next time. Love you, babes.